Your truck bed is basically an open invitation to the weather, thieves, and anyone who wants to see what you're hauling. But here's the thing. Picking the right tonneau cover can actually make or break your truck experience. And if you're shopping around Black Friday, you're about to catch some serious deals that won't come around again until next year. We've tested and researched 5 tonneau covers that have completely dominated the market. And honestly, one of them might be the exact solution you've been looking for. Let's dive in.
Number 1. RealTruck BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover.
The BAKFlip G2 is a hard tri-fold cover that's built with aircraft-grade aluminum panels. That's not marketing speak. This thing is legit engineered like parts of an actual airplane. When you fold it completely forward, you get 100% access to your entire truck bed. No partial access, no awkward angles, just pure, unobstructed space to load whatever you need. And it folds back just as easily. Weather protection is the name of the game here. Full perimeter seals mean rain, snow, and road debris stay where they belong, outside. The cover can hold up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so if you're thinking about strapping equipment on top, it's got you covered. Installation, you're looking at basically no tools required. Just 2 wing nuts on each side, and you can even remove the whole thing without needing a second person. The warranty's solid too. 2 years, and honestly, customers have mentioned they've had these covers last way longer than that. The thing about the BAKFlip G2 is that it averages around 4.5 stars across thousands of reviews, and people absolutely rave about the quality. On Black Friday, you might see it drop from around $900 down to the $750 to $800 range, which is a sweet spot for what you're getting. Number 2. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Folding Tonneau Cover. Now, if the BAKFlip G2 is the premium option, the Tyger Auto T3 is the I'm not compromising on quality, but I want to save some cash option. And honestly, it's a solid choice. This is a soft tri-fold cover made with 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. Think of it like the vinyl they use on boats. It's designed to handle UV, salt water, and all kinds of harsh conditions. The frame is aircraft-grade aluminum, so you're not getting cheap materials here. The installation time is absolutely bonkers, 5 to 10 minutes tops. We're talking clamp and latch system that literally takes a few minutes to secure. No drilling, no special tools, just mount it, tighten a few clamps, and you're done. If you hate the idea of spending an entire afternoon installing a tonneau cover, this is your answer. Tyger Auto has really nailed the value proposition here. You're looking at anywhere from $200 to $300 depending on your truck bed size, and Black Friday deals typically hit 27 to 32% off. So you could grab this cover for under $150 in some cases. The catch, soft covers aren't as secure as hard covers. If someone really wants to get into your truck bed, a soft cover won't stop a determined thief. It's weather resistant and UV resistant, but it's not Fort Knox, you know? So if you're hauling expensive equipment regularly, you might want that hard cover security. Number 3. Gator EFX Hard 3-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Here's where things get interesting. The Gator EFX. This cover is basically the Goldilocks option. It's not crazy expensive like the premium hardcovers, but it's still a legit hardcover with real security. Gator EFX went with heavy-duty aluminum panels that are powder-coated in black. That powder coating is important because it protects against rust and corrosion. You're not just getting aluminum, you're getting aluminum that's been treated to last. The water management system is something Gator really focused on. They've integrated drain tubes that channel water away from your truck bed, and the seal design is unique enough that people consistently mention they don't get water pooling inside. That's a big deal because water damage in truck beds is a real problem with cheaper covers. Installation is legitimately tool-free, no drilling, and most people are done in under 30 minutes. All the hardware comes pre-assembled, which means you're not spending an hour trying to figure out which bolt goes where. The best part? This cover is made in the USA and comes with a 3-year warranty. That's way more confidence than budget options give you. You're looking at around $500 to $700 depending on your truck size. That makes it attractive for people who want hard tonneau security without spending $1,000. Consider, do you want hardcover security but at a reasonable price? Is durability more important than premium aesthetics? If you answered yes to both, the Gator EFX makes sense. Number 4. OEDRO Hard 3-Fold FRP Tonneau Cover. Now, the OEDRO has been making serious waves in the tonneau cover community lately. And once you understand why, you'll get why people are talking about this thing constantly. It's basically become the cover that hardcore truck enthusiasts recommend to their friends. This is a hard three-fold made with a double-layer PVC construction. Now, that's not aluminum, and that's important, but it's actually a strength, not a weakness. The double-layer PVC is reinforced with a powder-coated aluminum rail system and aluminum clamps, so you're getting a hybrid design that combines the benefits of both materials. Installation might require a tiny bit of drilling on rail cap trucks, but for most standard trucks, it's basically drill-free. The pre-assembled rails and aluminum clamps make the whole process pretty straightforward. And unlike some budget covers, OEDRO doesn't skip on build quality. The materials have been tested for UV protection and superior tensile strength. Here's what's wild. This cover has over 1,600 customer reviews, and people are rating it 4.4 to 4.5 stars. For a budget option, that's exceptional. And the reason people love it? The quality-to-price ratio is insane. You're getting hard tonneau durability at a price that doesn't make you wince. We're talking $350 to $550, which is sometimes half what premium brands charge. Number 5. Lund Genesis Elite Trifold Soft Tonneau Cover. Wrapping up with the Lund Genesis Elite, and this one's special. It's a premium soft trifold that's made in the USA, and that actually matters. The Lund Genesis Elite uses a premium matte canvas material, not some thin, cheap vinyl. Actual quality canvas that's resistant to water, mold, mildew, UV, dirt, and dust. The rigid black powder-coated aluminum subframe keeps everything stable and secure. Here's what makes people love this cover. The installation is genuinely 5 minutes. Like you could seriously have this on your truck before you finish your coffee. Square it up, secure the clamps, done. The commercial-grade clamping system and tailgate seal mean your truck bed is protected from the weather and the elements. This isn't some flimsy cover that flaps around on the highway. The flawless folding design is intuitive. 2 easy clamps on each side of the tailgate, fold towards the cab, and you've got instant access. You can fold it twice if you need partial access, or fold it completely for full bed access. The integrated clip and strap system actually lets you drive safely with the cover open. No wind damage, no worries. The lifetime warranty is basically Lund saying they believe in this product. That's confidence. And the price point? You're looking at $299 to $449, and Black Friday could bring that down even more. Plus, you're getting something made in the USA with that lifetime guarantee backing it up. Black Friday deals aren't sticking around forever. Check out the links, find your perfect match, and let me know in the comments which cover you ended up choosing. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.